Hey guys, I just want to start off by saying in the previous video, I showed you the extra widget you get with the Lancelot subscription. And with this video, I'm going to show you the additional compare and inspirational widgets you get with the same subscription. So let's start from the compare widgets. So we're going to tap or click on compare, and we're going to scroll all the way down to strategies allocation, which is here. And this widget allows you to compare everything in one place on how your two strategies different in terms of asset class, custodian, and inspirational sources. Here again, we're going to stress to you why it's so important that whenever you're adding an asset to your strategies, you also input extra information like the custodian and inspirational source under advanced settings. And we stress this because if you add this information, you get to use Merlin at its best and what it was made for. So first of all, let's make sure to select our strategies from the drop-down menu, and we are comparing driving the bump and my path to retirement. Then you have 3 tabs you can click depending on the type of comparison you want to do. So asset class, custodian, and inspirational sources. I am now in asset class, so I can easily understand how the two strategies are different in terms of asset class, total value of each asset class, and the percentage weight of each asset class on the overall strategy. If I click on custodian here, I can see how the two strategies are different in terms of investment split among the different accounts where I retain my investments. And if I click on inspirational sources, I can understand how my investment differs in terms of inspirational source I relied on when I added the asset to my strategies. And I want to tell you that it doesn't matter which one of the 3 tabs you're on. If you click on one of the categories below, and the pie charts will then display all the assets underneath such categories. So together with the information like entry and price, quantity, total value, and variation from the time when you first invested in it. So we're going to go to strategies overlap widget. And here you also have a drop-down menu where you need to select the strategies you want to compare. We're comparing driving the bump and my path to retirement again. So then through the histograms below, here, you'll be able to understand what are the assets which belong either to one or the other strategy, and those which are common between the two. You also see what's the percentage rate, whether for the exclusive and common assets on the overall value of the relative strategy. So if I clicked on the histogram, you'll see a window open to the right, and it displays the details of the relative assets that are underneath. So in a nutshell, the 2 compare widgets I just showed you allow you to go deeper into your comparative analysis to understand what strategy you want to carry forward from those that you created. So we're going to go into inspiration. And we're going to scroll down to crypto news feed. Our community loves crypto, and it's a very hot topic. So Merlin wanted to create a specific crypto news feed. And here, obviously, you can find the trendiest, most talked about news about the crypto world. And we consistently update it, so you're always on top of what's happening in the market. You can display a preview of all the news, so you can easily understand those that you're interested in. So if you click on one that you want to read, say our interests are aligned, this one with as you see, Coinbase CEO, I would click on that and it would take me to a separate window so I can read the whole entire article, which is another very cool widget. And let's go into Twitter feed. I've shown this in the previous video for the inspiration widgets. The Twitter feed one gives you the possibility to either search here. You can search by the keywords, the search bar, or you can select the Inspired by Merlin or Favorites filter from the drop-down menu. And if you've been following us, you know that I've showed this already. And then inside the widget, you'll display a preview of the tweets based on the search criteria. And then you can click on those of your interest and you'll be redirected again to a separate window where you'll be able to read the full Twitter page. So with this video, you've seen the new compare and inspirational widgets you can use with the Lancelot or higher subscription in order to compare your strategies and to study the market sentiment all in one easy place. So stay tuned as there are still many other videos I'll show you on how to use our platform. But if you found this helpful, just make sure you subscribe to our page and you stay tuned for more so you can get the most out of our platform.